To book a plane ticket using GCash, simply log into your GCash account. On the dashboard, tap See All. Then, just scroll down and look for the travel option with the airplane icon. Once you find it, tap Travel.
Then tap Flights.
Next, tap here to choose your departure location. For example, if you're traveling from Davao to Manila, select Davao as your departure city and Manila as your destination. Next, choose whether you want a round trip, one-way, or multi-city ticket if you need to book more than one flight. For this example, I'll choose one-way. Then, select your preferred travel date. I will choose August 8.
After that, choose your seat class. All classes, economy or business class. I'll select economy.
Finally, choose how many passengers will be traveling, whether they're adults, children, or infants. Since I'm traveling alone, I'll select one adult. Once everything is set, tap Search to see the available flights. You'll now see the available flights for the date you selected. The fares are displayed from the lowest price to the highest. If you'd like to compare prices on different dates, just tap the calendar icon at the top to view the fares for each day. Here, you can see the lowest available fare for each day. You can browse flight prices for the entire month or even the whole year to find the best deal. Once you've found the date you prefer, simply select it to continue with your booking. Next, fill out the passenger information by tapping Add Passenger. Next, fill out the passenger information, including the first name, last name, nationality, gender, date of birth, and mobile number. Make sure the passenger's name exactly matches the name on the valid ID or passport that will be presented during check-in or boarding. Any mismatch could cause delays or problems with your flight. Once you've entered all the required information and verified that everything is correct, tap Save to continue. Then, check the baggage allowance included with the flight you've selected. Make sure to enter the correct mobile phone number and email address before proceeding. Before making your payment, be sure to review the baggage policy. Once you've confirmed that everything is correct, you can proceed with the payment. Through here, you can conveniently book domestic and international flights to destinations around the world. Whether you're traveling within the Philippines or flying to another country, you can compare available options and choose the one that fits your budget. You can also book hotels for your vacation or business trip, making it easy to plan your entire journey in one place. In selected countries, you can also book train tickets directly through the GCashTravel platform. Aside from flights, hotels, and trains, you may also find other travel services depending on your destination and availability. Everything can be managed through the GCash app, making travel planning faster and more convenient. Airline ticket prices change frequently based on demand and seat availability. Fares can increase or decrease within minutes, hours, or even seconds. If you're looking for the best deal, check the prices regularly and compare different travel dates if possible. Once you find a fare that fits your budget, it's best to book it right away before the price changes again. You can also travel by sea within the Philippines through Go Travel. It offers ferry services to many destinations across the country, making it a great alternative to traveling by plane. Just download the Go app from the Google Play Store. Then, inside the app, simply tap Travel, then tap Book Now. Next, choose whether you want a one-way or round-trip ticket, then enter your place of origin and your destination. Next, choose your travel month and your departure date. Next, set the number of passengers. Select how many adults, children, or infants will be traveling. If only one adult is traveling, set it to one adult. Once everything is correct, tap Search. Here, you'll see the ship's departure time and its estimated arrival time at your destination. Next, select Accommodation. Here, you can choose your preferred accommodation class, such as business class, tourist class, or mega class. You'll also see the fare for each class, so you can choose the one that best fits your budget.
Before booking, check what is included in your selected accommodation. Review the baggage allowance, meals, sleeping arrangement, and other amenities or services included with your ticket. Once you're satisfied with your choice, you can continue with your booking.
GCash operates passenger terminals and ferry piers across many parts of the Philippines, making it easy to travel between major islands. Its network includes key ports such as Manila North Harbor Pier 4, Batangas International Port, Cebu Pier 4, Barko Port in Bacolod, Iloilo Port, Caticlan Port, Rojas Port, Puerto Princesa Port, Coron Port, Tagbilaran Port, Dumaguete Port, Dapitan Port, Cagayan de Oro Port, Nasipit Port, Zamboanga Port, Sasa Port in Davao, Macar Port in General Santos, Ozamis Port, and Dapa Port. In total, GCash serves around 20 ports of call across Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Keep in mind that available routes and schedules may change depending on the vessel and your selected destination.
Have a safe trip, everyone, and may God bless and protect you wherever you go.